Here I am using a little bit of Natalie's LineDotArrow Purple Jam Summer Edition. And this is the corset pocket that was inspired by Natalie's digital. And what I wanted to mention about this is this corset here, I actually I was running out of ink. And so this was all purple, but you can see that I lost some of the details when I lost the color on some of these. So this was all purple. You couldn't really see the details. I took some pink lace, kind of a peachy pink lace, and I put it across, glued it on top of there, and then cut it out. And then some of this lace is from, I believe, from Two Sister Jam. Maybe all of it, but definitely some of it. Okay, on the tag, this can either be a pocket this way, or it can be used as a belly band this way, or both. And this little label holder is from Natalie's Digital. I've got plastic behind it, and it's glued down, but it's also held down with these two brads, which I'll be covering up the back whenever I decorate the back, so you won't see that. So I did a pretty simple pocket, but I think it came out cute, and I want to thank Natalie for the inspiration and for the beautiful LineDotArrow Purple Jam Summer Edition papers. Thank you.